Okay, I've successfully put the rod in the hole. So now I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, let's go to the other side. I hope this video will be helpful for someone out there trying to do as much as I can, because I don't have any time sometimes. And I'm sorry I don't reply to your email. People send me an email and all that, man, because I've got so many emails on YouTube. I don't even know what to do with them. So I'll try my best. So that's what I mean there, see? That's what I mean. That cable, that cable there, it's in the hole, and that's in, you can feel it go in the actual spline, not a spline, but a cutout on the round, that cutout. So the best thing to do is you got to get the key and lock the car manually. So you're going to lock it manually by just using that, like that, lock it, and use the key and turn it and make sure it actually unlocks. Okay, on the Porsche 981 you got to push that little clip back and push out, and then you're going to get the key, and the key goes under the handle. So that, push the handle up, and then this one goes here. Let me lock it again using my fingers. Okay, so in theory we should, just bear with me. Okay, now I'm going to turn that. So you're going to get someone, what you have to do is you got to look at the actual rod while someone is turning the other side. Okay, get someone to turn the key, hold the hand up and turn the key and make sure this turn. Okay, turn the key, turn, yep. Turn the other way, turn the other way, yep. Turn back, turn back the other way, yep. Turn it the other way. Okay, stay there. So now the rod is moving. So now we're going to use a mirror to look at that. Okay, turn it. Turn the key. Turn the other way. You can see the inside moving. Look at the inside. Let me just try to zoom in. Alright, zoomed in. Alright, now you got to concentrate on the inside of the lock of the actual housing. Okay, turn it. Turn the other way. Yep. So that means everything is in. Everything is perfect. So now I can assemble the whole car. Okay, I'll just remove the key. Now pretty much everything is actually 100% working. But what we're going to do now is we're going to connect the locks, all the lock back up. Just the two wires here. Connect those two up and make sure everything works first before we actually go forward. Okay, I forgot to mention this part here. So once you put that little lock in, just be careful you don't break it. So now you got to actually put that part in there, and then this one here you just got to spin it until it locks on top there. That part has to go be on top, so that's the lock. So now I'm ready to assemble the plug and then see if the key can be unlocked and locked using the actual door lock, because before I can't lock the car. Okay, now I just lock this using my screwdriver. You just push the lock in, push it until it locks. So now I'm gonna use this part here. It should unlock. All right, I'm gonna pull on the cable. It should unlock. Yeah, they're unlocked. So next one, I'll double check the outside lock. So we're going to pull the outside lock door handle, and that should lock. Yep, that worked. So we already checked the key already. So I'll double check the key one more time to make sure the hole is still in there. You see in there? Yep. That keyhole still in there. Perfect. So that little rod, make sure that's very important. That's got to go back. The cutout that I showed you. So now I'm going to plug it in and then test the remote using the actual So you test the door lock using the remote. Alright, now I've plugged in the actual plug. By the way, this is a big job, it's not a small job, this one here. So sometimes you think it's easy to do, but you got to be very careful because you'll break something, it's going to cost a lot of money to fix it. Okay, so I'm just doing it this way. Later on I'll put the wiring the correct route. So now I'm going to lock this. That's locked. So I'm going to lock the car. So if I pull on the handle, this part here should not open. That part there should still be locked. Yep. And if I press open, so now I want to open the car. If I do press the lock from the outside again, a handle, that should open. There you go. We successfully installed the lock properly. Everything is working, but just remember to test the actual door lock, you got to put the little ECU back. You don't worry about the door trim, just the ECU plugs. The door trim goes there. So everything's working normal now, so it's perfect. This is a success. So now I'm going to put everything back together and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.